Natty, and yeah, I've decided to make videos on cooking. So I'll be showing you all the basic and all the new, I mean not exactly the new, the basic cooking stuff like how we normally make at home. So yeah, there are people out there who don't even know how to cook and all that stuff. So please don't worry, this is for people like me who don't know how to make coffee, tea, rice and all that. Like, you know, I just wanted to show you guys like all the basic stuff, like even for bachelors who wants to cook, and you know, you just can't go and eat outside like every day. At least once, like, you know, at least once you'll feel like having home cooked food. So to you guys out there, so I'll be showing you all how to make the basic cooking things. Like if you guys wants to try out something, leave a comment below and I will do a video on it, and I'll explain to you how to do the stuff. And also, yeah, like yeah, to be frank, even I suck at cooking. I mean, like in my past, but now I guess I'm okay. I'm doing good with help of my sister. Yeah, I am doing good. Like, you know, everyone misses their mom's cooking, but can't help it. Like, you know, when you have to cook for yourself, you just have to try it. So that's what we did. Like before, even like, you know, when my mom was there, it was like whenever she asked us to, like, you know, come and help with the cooking and all, we used to be like, it used to be like very difficult. And now I've been trying how to cook and all. I know the pain, and I feel very sorry for my mom because we couldn't help her in cooking, and I really regret that, which we can't even turn it back. So yeah, people who really wants to help your moms out there, like, you know, it's like, you know, whenever your mom comes out and, you know, you just make her a nice good tea, imagine how happy she will be. Like, seriously, how happy she will be, like, you know, and she will be like, seriously, she'll bless you. So yeah, if you want to try out like all that, you know, just go. Cooking is not bad. Like, you know, everyone has to know how to cook. So yeah, that's what I thought, and I just wanted to start this new series. So yeah, today's video is gonna be how to make tea. So yeah, every Indian, like not only Indian, like everyone loves tea. Like who doesn't love a cup of tea? When you are in mood, you just can't go out and have a you know, cup of tea. Like when you can make it at home and share it along with your family members. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to make tea. So yeah, keep watching. Let's get into the video.
For making tea, you need strainer, milk, water. Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you how to measure it. And of course, you need cup. It depends on the size of your cup. So I'm just taking this size cup. And of course, don't forget the main ingredients of like sugar and tea powder. They are the main things. So yeah, now let's get started. Now take your cup, so whatever size you are using to make tea and how much ever you want. So now I'm pouring 3/4 of milk, and I'm adding 1/3 of water. If you don't know the measurements, I'll put a pic here so that you guys will know how much is 3/4 and 1/3 of measurement. So yeah, I'm just adding water to it. Once I'm done, I'm just taking this cup of milk and water and pour this into a vessel of whatever vessel you are using for making tea. So I just poured it in the vessel. Now put your vessel on a stove and lit it up. So now I'm gonna take my tea powder. I'm just using 2 teaspoons of tea powder and 3 teaspoons of sugar, because I like my tea to be a bit sweet. If you don't like sweet, you can just put 2 teaspoons of sugar. So I'm just adding 3 teaspoons because I like it. Now let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes, and once it starts boiling, you'll start getting this nice aroma of tea. So the more you let it boil, the more stronger it becomes. So this is how my tea looks. So yeah, once it is done, I'm just taking my strainer and just gonna strain it. That's all, guys. Now your tea is ready. Enjoy your tea.